Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be making a healthy and nutritious pasta with creamy beetroot sauce. As we all know, it has numerous health benefits and is rich in fiber. It's easy and can be made with only a few ingredients. And for sure, the taste is amazing. Now let's get started. These are the ingredients we require to make beetroot pasta. For the beetroot pasta, first let's make a sauce. For that, into a pan, I'm adding 5 pieces of walnuts. Just fry it for 30 to 40 seconds. No need to add oil. Take it out and keep it aside. Add 2 tablespoons of butter. If you don't want butter, you can also use olive oil. This is half onion, half red bell pepper. You can use any color, and I've grated 1 beetroot. Adding grated beetroot will cook fast and will save your time. Saute it for about 3 to 4 minutes on a medium flame. I'm adding fresh rosemary. You can also use mixed herbs. This is done. Turn off the flame. Allow it to cool before you grind. Add the roasted walnut and grind this into a fine paste. In the meanwhile, let's boil the pasta. Into the water, add some salt and bring it to a boil. Water has come to a boil. Now add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This will prevent pasta from sticking. I'm adding 250 grams of penne pasta. Cook it according to the instructions given on the box. This is done. I'm going to strain out the water. Before straining, take a cup of this water and keep it. We might need this in the cooking later. To a pan, add a tablespoon of butter, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic, and a tablespoon of jalapeno pepper. This will give a nice flavor. Just saute this for about 30 to 40 seconds. It's turning brown and I'm getting a nice aroma. Now let's add half a cup of tomato puree. Now add the ground beetroot paste and simmer it for 3 to 4 minutes on a medium flame. Season it with some chili flakes and salt and give a mix. Add pasta. Give a nice mix until well combined. If you feel that your pasta is getting thick, adjust it with that reserved water which we kept aside. Now in this stage you can add some pasta seasoning. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of oregano and half cup of cooking cream. Keep the flame on low and give it a nice mix. Once everything comes together, add some cheese. This is Parmesan cheese. Give a quick stir and turn off the flame. Finally, garnish with some onion leeks or coriander leaves. Now let's pack the tiffin box. I have kept some cheese to add on top. There you have it, creamy and nutritious pasta, and for sure the taste is amazing. And the beets lends a beautiful earthly flavor and of course gorgeous color. In this way you can make your kids to eat without any fuss. Do try this wonderful recipe and share it with your family and friends. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.